Alright. Giggity giggity. Oh yeah, shit. Observer, and I'm gonna have to do my loadout because everything is not freaking there for me.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go with the 74, the 1.5. The foregrip,
Yeah.
the suppressor, the drum wagons, the laser lightings. Okay, and then a pistola. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, now I've got to do heavy carrier. What am I doing here? Just all incendiaries, huh? I do like a frag, though.
Yeah,
I
I've
do.
been carrying two frags lately.
Yeah, and an incendiary.
Yeah.
Light armor, gas mask, and the combat knife. Boom. Whoa, hey, hello. Oh, are you already up there? Are we going or what?
Yeah.
Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, fool.
Why not?
Because the game is live.
God, you look good.
Damn, I don't see nothing up there. Huh. Weird. Oh, light just changed in that room. What the fuck? Where's all the enemas? What are you shooting at?
Oh, I had a fucking dickhead behind me.
Yeah.
Oh no, I fucking missed that grenade so bad.
Oh yeah, you did. I got a guy on my right here. He threw something, but I don't think it made it over here.
We're taking Alpha now.
There we go.
Step back. It's hot.
I'm using the hot one. Coming up behind us.
Alpha's clear, we got it!
Mortars! Look out! Step back! Flick the grenade out!
I gotta reload. I'm doing a reload. Okay, I'm up and shooting. Woo! Oh, right on us, dude.
Fucking shit.
Right on us. I got
That's
vaporized.
Bullshit.
Yeah, I got vaporized, dude. I mean, I didn't even like land on my side. I was gone.
Yeah.
It just disappeared. Alright.
Check your ammo.
Are you good?
Come on then!
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I don't know what the deal with this server is, man. That there should be dudes in these rooms up here coming down at
No,
us.
it's scaled to how many players there are.
Yeah, okay, alright.
He's got it scaled to the amount of players we have.
Okay. Freaking me out.
Whoa!
I don't know if you see these guys there, but I wanted to shoot them before they shot you.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Off just slightly on that dude's head. Oh, I'm right out here. Watch your ready.
We're taking Alpha now. Cover me! I'm reloading!
Dude, I was a...
Flame grenade!
Nice one, we got Alpha!
Step back! It's hot! Incoming! Tossing it in!
They're coming at us!
Shit! Oh!
Unfucking believable.
I heard it too, and I noticed you were throwing something, and I was scrolling to get a frag out, so both of us didn't have our guns in our hands. Brutal.
I don't know how she made it through that fucking burner I put right on her head.
I put one right over there in the corner too, so here we go. Auto switch. 3 tries to die.
I'm gonna go. I can go commander.
Okay.
Why not?
Right.
Oh, useless that fucking round as a commander.
So my BIOS needed an update, man.
Yeah.
It wasn't doing it. It wasn't doing it on its own. I ran the tools in the ROG, right?
Right.
You good? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go!
And it said check the
Call for helo.
flash the
Minigun
BIOS,
support at this
Station,
location.
this is Observer! We need
Yeah.
minigun support in this area!
and it said
Send them
you
quick.
have something you can download. And I was like, oh, wow, all right. I mean, I didn't expect something that new to be.
I'm on location.
Oh yeah, I download.
Fuck,
Unfucking
where did everyone go?
Uzi, fucking piece of shit.
You're just tired. You're running a
Yeah.
little low.
Hey, I'm at Alpha!
Engaging. Taking fire. That's 3.
Alpha secure!
I'm going while he's still up. Oh, I have not heard that before. I have not heard that before. Oh, I got a guy right in front of me. Watch this.
Grenade out!
Oh shit! I got myself. Oh no, that was you. You threw a grenade too, huh? Oh shit. Laying down the other side. Alright, I'm gone. What'd you do with your girl, dude?
Oh, we played.
Yeah. It's hard being like, not a young parent. You know? Like there are times I just look at my boy and I'm like, dude, you gotta get away from me. I can't handle you. I can't do it.
Right.
The hell was that? No, you won't.
I took his fucking shoulder and the side of his face off.
Very nice.
Securing Charlie.
I'm on the stairs, so don't.
Yeah, he had a
I got 2
yeah,
behind you.
he
Couldn't
had a
shoot him.
PKM. Look at that dickhead. He had a fucking PKM, this
Let's
dickhead.
burn it! Loading!
Yeah, those things hit pretty damn hard, don't they?
Yeah, this guy right here is sitting right here with a fucking PKM.
Gonna burn it.
Step back! It's hot! Shells incoming! Find
Oh
cover!
my god.
Grenade out! We captured Charlie!
Woo!
How
Blocking.
How did that get by you?
Dude, I was throwing a Molotov down the stairs. I got 2 burners on the back one. One of them's probably done now. Here, I got this one. I'm not watching the stairs in back of me.
Yeah, I'm right here.
More bad guys incoming!
You good? Yeah,
Yeah.
I see you.
They're capturing Charlie!
Jesus, they're still here. Sons of bitches. You hear all their
Guy
footsteps?
in the truck is still out there too.
Okay.
Good to go.
I'll jump down the
Yeah.
back. Let's just go over the back here.
There we go. I put a frag on his ass.
I just go over here, man. Do you ever go this route?
No, it's totally gay for me.
There's usually a couple dudes in the street that I can get, but they're already gone.
No, I see that. Yeah. Yeah, she wiped me out, dude.
That's awesome, though. You know?
Even the dog is like, I'm fucking done, dude.
How old is she now?
We're
8.
capturing Delta now!
Almost 8.
Stop! Give on us!
Okay, I'm gonna burn it over there. Oh shit, that's a frag. Never mind.
Throwing a grenade! Using...
Alright, they're falling back!
Step back! It's hot! Using incendiary! Hang on! I think they're firing mortars! Speak up! How are we looking? I'm over here! I'm okay!
Habibi.
He's in the room. As soon as it clears, I'll go.
How did you survive that?
I know. Stay there. Stay there. What the? Why are my bullets not working? I don't know where he's at. He's jumping around over here.
Reloading!
Still missed him.
He's outside. No, we're on the defense. There's no
I
blocking.
know.
Delta is ours!
Now he's blocking. There we go. Woo! I got strafed on that one. All right, I'm going around. Going
Missed
around.
him. I need ammo.
I'm going around to the right.
Yeah, just wait up. I need ammo. That means.
Well, I want to try and get these guys as they're running.
I already
across.
got them. They're already
Oh,
gone.
All right, I'm in the street here.
They already left. I tried to get them myself, and they dipped into that fucking corner.
Okay. Going in that side? What are you doing?
I just need to put explosives down here, the length of
okay.
this
Yeah.
thing.
All right, go for
That
it.
stops them.
I need explosive artillery right here. Call
See?
it in.
Station,
Yeah, it stops
this is
them.
Observer.
Watch
We
this
need
corner
explosive
right here.
artillery on this target. Can you do it? Enemy on
Ah.
Delta! We're capturing Echo.
Relax.
Reload, reload. Shit, I had half a drum anyway. I don't know what I was worried about.
Incendiary.
Burn it!
Hold on.
I don't know how he fucking ran past that fucking fire.
Okay, loading!
Reload. Okay, there's one over here in the smoke. Thank you. I don't see him. I think he's in the smoke lying down. Whoa.
We took Echo.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna need to resupply for this next one.
I need to
right?
go right out
Okay,
that front,
ready.
right here, man.
Yeah.
And then I gotta put the helicopter thing straight down
Okay.
the street. Right there.
Let's get a gunship at this target.
Now we can go in.
Station, this is Observer calling for air support.
Behind us,
The
behind us.
assassin to
Yeah.
hit this location.
Fucking
down.
hell.
Dig in. We gotta hold it.
That guy's down.
Yeah.
I'm inside.
Okay. Coming up back stairs now.
Oh, fuck.
God fucking Jesus, mother of Christ. The fucking thing went out of ammo.
Okay.
Like station, shoot them. Thanks. Hope so. Let it go.
You're out of ammo.
No, I'm not. I had a 2/3 of a, and you're back in.
I'm with you. With you.
What's better? Water. Using flame grenade.
I'm good with the burners and stuff up top here.
Yeah. I got it too.
Okay.
Hopefully that thing shot the truck, so
Look out. Step back.
Shit. Stay down there. I
Oh,
missed
shit.
missed the corner of the wall. Oops.
I'll burn it.
Hey, I'm burning it. Careful.
Okay, gunship has been...
4 seconds.
Bye for now. Station out.
We copy. Thanks,
Habibi.
assassin.
Habibi. Allahu Akbar.
yeah. Yeah. Old Festercock was on last night, or the night before.
Yeah.
Lyle,
Yeah.
the worst.
So much fun.
No.
Such a fun guy.
Yeah. He's always a fucking spawn point away behind, you know?
Oh yeah. Well, he likes to hang back and snipe. That's his thing. You know, he'll run like on this one. He'll run up the hill
Go.
and just stay in one spot and snipe. And he's actually not that bad at it. I mean, when he's
No, he's
focusing.
not, but
Station, we're prepped and ready. Let us know if you need fire
Are we just
support.
going in hot?
yeah, let's save the helicopter.
Come
Whoa.
at me, you motherfuckers.
That was a glitch. I disappeared. I didn't just get shot, I totally disappeared. That was weird. Oh god, you just had one land. Yep. Yeah. He's running around the other way they were left. I can't see.
Keeps peeling the fucking grenades off, don't he?
Yeah. 2 of them. Nice, you got it.
Working on Alpha.
Oh, I got a fucking chill up my spine.
What are you doing? Just give up.
Did you put on a sweatshirt or what?
Oh, I got 3 sweatshirts on.
Oh, you're still sick, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that feverish crap. You want to just send something over there?
I can't. I gotta. It's they blocked all the good view of it. You know.
What'd they do? Put a tree in?
Yeah, they put a piece of wood. So you know, it's like.
Yeah.
But I picked up a Hempelhauser
All right.
off a guy, so I just need to I just need to peek it.
Peeky weeky. Go ahead. Enema.
Fuck!
Could use a little help.
Fuck, what are you doing?
You didn't wait for me. You run faster.
Oh,
Yeah, I wasn't with
it's still up. You missed the guy in the top. Oh my god.
Fuck off!
How many times am I gonna kill that freaking guy?
You missed the guy on the top to the left.
Okay.
And there should be a Pimpelhauser right there on my body.
Okay.
Right. See him? There's 2 more. Where is my body?
Right over here.
No.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Wait. I don't
Fucking disappeared, dude.
The guy right in front of you.
Yep, I see him. He doesn't see me yet, though.
Nice throw. Right on it.
Getting shot at by a shotgun.
Yeah, I got him. He fucking prepped a grenade. I hope I don't die from it.
I need to resupply.
Yeah. I gotta find out where the fuck this Pimpelhauser went.
You try.
Fucking just flat fucking disappeared. My
Yeah,
guy.
man, I'm telling you, you and everything.
Fuck.
All right, you want to send it?
I
Yeah,
got
why
it.
not? What do you
I got
want?
it. Yeah, it's destroyed.
I'd
Bravo
get a
destroyed.
helicopter over there, to be honest with you.
All right.
Buzzing around, zapping at him.
Support right here.
Yeah.
Station, this is Observer calling for air support. Send minigun support to this target.
Got a scary motherfucker right here.
Keep shooting, dickheads.
Right?
This is Cleric. I'm on location. Moving to
Just
position.
wait a sec.
Yeah.
Minigun support up above. Get ready, get ready.
I don't know why my voice is like that. I need to change it. I forgot to change it. I went in.
We've got targets. Opening fire.
I went in and
There's another one.
you know, when I re-upped, all my gear was gone. All my kit was all gone.
Okay.
Yeah, that
I'm on
sucks.
Charlie.
I hate that.
But I had like 3,600 bucks to spend. So I really wasn't doing all that bad. I'm gonna burn this door right here. This is always one
Alright.
where they come in and then fucking sit there.
Charlie secure.
Yeah, look at him mow it down. Look at him mow him down.
Let's burn this.
Come on up, man. It's all on fire down there. Got
Yeah, I just want to make sure that I heard mortars.
Roger. I'm gonna reload real quick. Oh, you're gone. Okay.
I'm right here on the step. Above.
Dropping a grenade at the bottom of the stairs. Don't go down there. Hey. I hear him. 10 seconds. You know one's gonna come right in this room and fucking stand
Moving
here.
Charlie.
Dude. Where? He's downstairs. He's gotta be. I'm going to get him.
Go get him, baby.
Let's go.
Nice.
I gotta resplat. I used to.
I think you got everybody because they fucking nobody's running.
Ready.
Nice.
Nope, nobody's running.
All right, I'm going. Where are you?
I'm trying to get ammo at the box.
Oh, okay. I'll wait.
Green to green, dude. Let's go.
I
Alright.
get a little snippler down there, a little machine gun. So where you go down here?
Yeah, I just go right here because it's the quick. You know, you're right out on the street, and then usually there's a guy over here, but there's nobody there, so just watch the snipers.
Yeah, fuck those guys. I'll put a fucking.
Get Warlock to strafe this target.
Station, this is Observer. We need this position right here, strafed. Can he hit it?
Can you hit it?
Everyone, hey, what's your
I can
status?
hit it,
I'm
baby.
okay.
Observer, this is station. We're sending him.
Loading.
Got that fucker. Took me fucking.
A whole mag.
He's coming in for
Yeah.
us.
Hey, he tried to hit me with an RPG.
Woo!
Ooh. Nice fucking work there.
Reloading.
Oh, right outside. I am reloading.
I'm bugging out.
He's up on the hill.
No, he's right there.
Okay, he's done his run. You need
Flicking
anything
it
else,
out.
just ask, okay? Station
What we got here? Molotov? Come on, give me the Molotov. There we go.
Gonna burn it.
Step away.
Woo!
I'm using a
I don't know if
grenade.
that's artillery or not.
Roger. Shoot them, you-
We got Delta. Hey! Counterattack!
Sorry.
Holy shit.
Sorry. I was looking the other way.
Hi.
Oh, crap. Wow, they nailed me. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah?
The man is on fire.
We lived through this
Oh,
one.
coming down the stairs. Coming down the stairs at you. Coming down the stairs at you. Coming around the corner. Ah, it's chasing him. I couldn't get him. Come on, let's go fuck these guys up. Now I'm
Yeah, I
getting-
gotta get some fucking.
now I'm getting irritated.
Yeah, they fucking.
You got it?
Ready?
Okay, yeah, it was coming. Oh my god, I'm stuck on the fucking
Enemy on
post.
Delta.
It's horrible. Horrible.
Hit that position. Light those fuckers up.
Station, this is Observer.
Let's
Oh,
go.
damn.
To straight this. Lock it up.
Oh my god.
Sumaco,
See
we're
where I'm
losing
shooting? He's up
Delta.
on the hill now. He's gonna shoot me.
I
Nice.
just shot him in the head.
Got it.
It was like a bump, bump. Oh shit, I better hide.
Careful. Yeah, yeah.
There we go.
I'm over here. I'm okay. I can't believe you did it.
It's
Thanks,
nice when it's just
Warthog.
you and I, we get a lot of fucking kills for just calling in shit, you know?
Just destroy
Yeah, the
that
points are
tower.
just racking up. Basically.
I mean, that fucking one.
Here, hang on a
gunshot-
minute. Hang on a minute.
Look out.
I'm gonna
What?
throw a nade up there. Where is it? Oh shit, right in front of me! Ah, fuckers.
Yeah, I wouldn't throw a grenade up there. Not yet.
I'll frag it.
That was you.
Yeah. I fucking airmailed that motherfucker right down on his neck.
On his neck.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. There's your... Oh, no. I'm getting this pimple this time. I'm gonna send it right down there into fucking G or F or
Stand
whatever
by.
the hell's next. Oh, you got him?
Yeah.
I was picking my nose.
All right, we read you. Thanks for the assistance.
Oh my god! In my face! In my face! I didn't even see him. I checked too. I like looked down there. That thing hit me in the left side of my face. Actually made me jump.
Okay, final shot's clear.
Like it just came right like this sideways flaming bottle. Hey, that's yeah. Oh, you're fucked. You're fucked. You're so fucked. we had a good run, man.
Yeah.
That was a good run.
It was a good run.
Grab your gear.
The fuck is on my
Yalla,
mouse?
yalla,
It's
yalla,
bugging
go.
me.
All right, here we go.
Observer, this is station. You have fire support available to you when you want. Let the commander know.
Where you at, bitches?
Throwing a frag.
I got it.
Yo, guys, frag out.
Whoa, who the fuck killed me? Oh, that advisor just ripped assholes in us.
Yeah.
I got 3 dudes. Good God.
$34 and 2, not the best.
I'm 34
Did you
and
get-
4.
Did you at least keep your rank and stuff?
Yeah. 103.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, all the stats were the same, and the game loaded. I just, I don't know what the hell happened. Your head just exploded.
Get ready.
Wait, why do I have this? What did I pick?
Careful.
I don't
Hang
know.
on a minute, man. What did I pick? Observer, but oh, it's because of this. Yeah, all right. Hang on a minute.
Tell the commander.
Does the Q have a drum? Yeah, the Q's got a drum. I'm gonna try that out with a compensator and a foregrip. See how that does. And the 1 by Cobra this time. We'll do the commando action. Secondary. Boom, boom. Come on.
It doesn't change. It changes.
Got the heavy carrier already. And we're gonna go with a Molotov. All smokes, really? Thanks. I'm gonna pass on that. Let's get a frag.
Oh, that's what you used to carry.
Well, I usually carry at least one just to throw at your head.
You used to carry that all the time. 7 smokes.
Huh?
This is how you.
All right,
this
I
is
gotta
how you
go.
used to-
I gotta go reload. Where's the dude?
I don't know.
Oh my God! Really?
I don't know where it is.
Oh, son of a! All right, hang on.
Might be back here.
Let me just
somewhere.
hit it. Save loadout. Oh fuck it. Let's just go, man. Don't go running. Don't go running away.
Yeah, as soon as we get to the next box, you can change. But
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll be able to handle all that gun.
There's no. It's just iron sights. That's the problem.
Oh, that's all I use.
Oh! Someone else was there. Didn't even see him. Oh! 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 Oh!
Securing A. We have enemy. Down on the ground. Do it.
Oh, now I'm in. And I've got, where am I? Where am I going?
Check weapon.
Where the hell are these guys?
I need fucking help, buddy. I need
Working on
fucking
it.
help.
Working on it.
I need fucking nothing. No help.
We're all running to you, man. There's more dudes in here.
That's where I got surrounded.
Reloading!
Well, you went in way too fast. We all spawned in way the hell back there.
I know. I was surrounded by them. It took the capture
What's
point.
up, everybody?
And it triple fucking.
Did my mic just work?
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
No,
It's
I
full
mean,
of dudes
I
in
just...
Yeah. You're crazy. No. Oh no. Killed everybody.
It's alright, though. I'll be back in.
No, you killed everybody, honey. You killed everybody.
No, I didn't. They'll all be back in. Look at that.
Oh, I mean, I don't know how you did, because they were all stuck on the fire. Your whole team.
That was fun.
Okay, nice job! We're coming over now!
Yeah, mine's not working. My mic isn't working.
Yes, it is. I can hear you fine.
No, my in-game mic is not working. I'm hitting T and it isn't working.
Oh.
Not able to talk to anybody except you. Fuck off.
Securing.
I shot that guy 8 times coming right up to you.
Thank you.
I mean, he's literally right below you somewhere.
Whoa.
Alright.
We got C! It's ours!
Good job. You secured C.
Whoa, little dude's hammering away with that SKS. I went the wrong way thinking I was on a security.
Yep. Standard operating procedure.
Absolutely. I also have been pushing my mouse wheel down to zoom in.
Isn't that? Don't you hate that?
Yeah, I really do. But I'm okay with it.
What the fuck? Move away! Ilahwan! Are you still with me?
I'm okay.
Get off!
I burned it. Hang on.
Using Wonderbolt! Careful! Throwing Wonderbolt!
This shit is on fire, dude. Holy crap. I can't see a goddamn thing.
Just shot. Man, he's got to be behind you, buddy. Oh, shit. I got shot right in the fucking side of the head, 4 inches from you.
Fucking hell. That was gnarly. Where's the
Gnarly
resupply?
can. Upstairs, second deck.
Oh, there it is.
Reloading!
Might have got it. Nope. Close. Ah, dude. Whoa. Took a chunk out of your shoulder. Yeah, I gotta fix my key bindings now, apparently.
Yeah.
Isn't that fun?
Where are you, penis?
I'm coming around.
I gotta get some fire. I gotta get some explosives.
Okay.
I gotta get some explosives down on these guys.
I don't know where you're at. I can't see you. I can't see your thing anywhere. Oh, there you are.
Yeah. I just needed ammo. I gotta get a little explosives down on them.
Right behind you.
Don't.
Have the mortars blowing down! Come on! Outpost! We need explosive mortars here quickly! I've been hit! Outpost, come on! We need mortars now!
Not today.
Where are the mortars, damn it! MC!
Oh, shit. He's above me. He's above me. Aiming
Yeah.
down at me. Oh, God. Get inside. He threw a second one. There's a second one.
Yeah.
Did you all run away? Securing it! They're on us! Yalla, yalla! Hey, this should be
Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out of my way.
I can't. I hate when you do that, dude. It puts so much pressure on everybody.
Fire the fucking guns!
You're back in!
I just needed to get that RPG off at the guy.
Oh my God, why are they trying to do all this?
Horrible. The horribleness. Whoops. Whoops. Behind you.
Hold there!
You gotta get that.
Coming up. I hear footsteps on the right.
Hey, hey! Enemy!
20 seconds. Come on, come on.
Shotgun. Right to the top of the head.
Bastard!
Yep. Shotgun.
No!
Boom.
Uh-huh.
Nope. You got it.
Everyone report to
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, the dude. The dude. Dude, I stunk it up, dude.
What?
I sucked that round.
Oh.
Not playing that well. Let's put some fucking pimple houses on them. Explosive mortars.
All right.
I'll save one for that in it. Where are you, penis? Right here.
What?
Right here, buddy.
To say the weapon, we'll send it out.
We need explosive mortars here!
There we go. Now we go this way.
Come in! Fire explosive mortars on
I
this position!
when they come, when they start coming out. Need help! I need help! Fire and will, please. Don't hide. He needs help.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, the penises. They all, when you were taking fire, they all hid.
Who the fuck shit? Oh my god.
No, when you were taking fire in that second story, they were all fucking hiding. They jumped into the building next to you and hid.
Okay.
Missed me.
Incoming smoke! Incoming smoke!
Behind you, man! I got him. I got him. On the dude.
Why are all these guys packing smoke, man? Every single one of them. Oh god. I just got tagged by a flash. I can't see nothing. Okay, it's coming back. Oh, I'm down.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
A flash hit me in the shoulder and it actually like injured me. That was weird.
I wonder why that happened.
I was by the I was right by the window.
Oh, he must have threw it in the window at you.
Yeah, I'm just playing you. I know it was you, you dick. Alright. Just waiting to see if you'll admit it.
What are you doing going down, you crazy man? So once we take this next spot, we're gonna put mortars in that fucking thing long, huh?
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, I got a lot of guys fucking fighting behind me, dude. A lot of them. They're fucking pissed, dude.
I'm at
Man, he's putting.
Fuck!
Securing B!
Come on, penises. Come on.
There's only one of them.
Come on.
Oh, shit!
Move to their position!
They will die!
Yalla, yalla.
Okay, I'll meet you in the street.
All right, I'm right here, buddy. There's gonna be a couple on the right side of this building. Just check it. Hit him. Let it.
Little dude's down.
Okay.
Call for explosion! explosive mortars on this location! Outpost, we need explosive mortars
There we go.
quickly! Are you ready to fire?
Enemy on air!
Okay, I got C4.
Alright, I'm on. Watch that right. Watch that right.
Hey, we're taking shit!
Let the truck come. I got a C4 there for it.
I got heavy fucking fire. Stay on it, baby. Work that trigger. Work that trigger, baby. Work that trigger.
I'll burn you! Hey, grenade out! Out!
Work that trigger. Work that trigger.
I'm throwing a grenade! Grenade!
That was an amazing hold.
Yeah, that was really sweet.
Did we get the truck?
Shit!
Yeah. Did you get him? There we go.
Let's hit him again. Hit him again, man.
Everyone, report this!
Shit, you disappeared.
No, I'm on you. Do it.
Set the mortars right down! Come on!
Fuck! I'm almost dead.
Get down, I got you covered.
I gotta go get a
We need
reload.
mortars now! Fire the mortars, damn it!
Okay.
Okay, I'm going. I'm on the right.
Alright, I gotta reload. Wait for me. Go ahead. I got artillery dropping right. Look for the smoke, honey. Look for the smoke. That's where it's gonna start shelling.
Yep. Woo! I'm calling them out. Here they come.
Me too. Yes, we got the command. Fuck that guy. Yeah.
5, 6. That should do it. Oh, okay.
Oh, fuck. I landed right on top of me, man. You're the only one alive. I know you heard me.
Yeah.
There it is, right there. Right down in there. Does he have it? I'd throw a grenade, and then I'd fucking... I wouldn't look at it. Oh, don't die. Don't die. Nice. Nice work. Coming to you. Stay frosty, baby. Coming to you.
I'm already gone.
Well, that's not good, because could you... Lay it to him, baby. Lay it to him. Lay the wood on him.
I am.
Try to flash me.
I got 3. Woo! I'm getting shot. I'm going downstairs.
Why?
Because upstairs is bad. I gotta shoot and move, shoot and move. You know how
You
it
don't
is.
know about shoot and move.
How would I not? I've been a video gamer since 1992.
No way.
Yeah.
No fucking way, dude. No way.
Yeah, because that's how I do it.
You notice my name pop up there?
Yeah, that grenade that you threw from a mile away.
It's alright.
Uh-huh.
So it works. How'd you get upstairs, Penis?
What? I'm going through places. Going through places. I know what I'm doing. See, I'm already downstairs over on the point.
You're fucking on the pipe, dude.
Think so?
Oh, I think I fucked up. I certainly think I fucked up.
Capturing. Come on.
I got this. I got the back here, boss. Tell me you got him.
Yeah, all I have is a grenade, so we need to get stuff. Ooh, look at that. Come on, move that MP.
Ah, God fucking Jesus Christ, fucking. Look out, man. They're coming behind you.
Thank you.
Oh, shit.
Fuck. They got me.
On the ground.
It's you. Those other two fags left.
Yeah.
Somebody's upstairs and downstairs.
I don't care. Fuck that.
Down there. Yep, there you go.
Fuck you.
Heads up. He's chasing you.
Time to move, yalla.
See that?
Yeah. There's no way you're gonna get this.
On it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Ooh, I'm starving, man. I'm gonna have to go eat something.
Yeah. If you quit, I'm going to bed.
Are you really?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
You're done, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta eat.
Go, go,
so
go,
after
go.
this is done.
I need you, babe. Please don't run out there. Ah, shit. God damn it. Get in here. Get in here. They got you. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, please. Lay down. You're standing. Honey, get back.
Dude, calm down. I'm shooting the things that are moving. Watch my right, is all I ask you, because
I
I'm
know,
not
that's what
watching
I'm
it.
just saying. Get out of the fucking way so I can shoot. Do not move forward.
I destroyed him. We captured it.
That's pretty fucking badass. That thing's starting to fucking spark.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, that's alright. Put a little grenade on him.
Hey, grenade out!
Put another little grenade out there for him. Suck on. Don't cross in front of me. I have a small window to shoot through.
Okay.
God, you're good. You fucking
Look at
owned
that.
it.
Look at that.
You fucking owned on that.
Ah.
1,200 points. 1,200 fucking points.
Stop, drop, and roll, baby. Alright, I gotta go eat. I got like food I want to cook and stuff. I'm not just gonna, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna be like, I'm just gonna eat real quick.
Out of the box. Yeah, out of
Yeah.
the box.